Shed War Smackdown.
But it didn't sit well with me when you just did the last Shed Wars update, which episode 8, as a matter of fact, and you started talking about how Colette Fry was now in Shed Wars and a part of Team Will It Grow, and you was, flapping your gums that you didn't know if you could be fair, if you could be impartial, if it's allowed, if it's not allowed. And then you go on to say, well, I'm a judge. Yes, you are a judge. According to my understanding, Frankie Chubbs, you are a judge. And why can't you be fair? You're a professional. Why can't you be fair? And then, where you really got me chubby is when you insulted my teammate Colette Fry, saying that, she's only going to grow 4 pounds of food. 4 pounds of food. Frankie Chubbs, 4 pounds of food to you. You could probably, stuff it like a chipmunk in his cheek. 4 pounds of food.
The folks out there in our YouTube family that have been participating in the Smack Talk, I do know in particular one gentleman from Cape Cod who his last Shed Wars video was showing us some beautiful corn that he has in his garden, and I'm just gonna say, here's our corn row that we kind of mowed down to replace with peas, and I'm thinking that this is what Team Will It Grow is gonna look like at the end of all this. See, I told you I'm not all that great at calling people out and making fun of them, but that's what Team Will It Grow is going to basically be, flat and looking like that corn at the end of all this.
5 days to harvest alone.
The pile's sitting about 4
each one as you go until the pile is about 3 to 4 feet tall and fills the bin. A smaller pile won't heat up well, and a larger pile can be difficult.
This is, let me push back a little bit. You know what those are? You see that? That's right, that's called a fishing pole. That's what those are called, fishing poles. That's to catch big fish in nice, fresh Atlantic Ocean, not some little pool in the ground that you hillbillies fish, and the only ripple you get is when you throw a bobber in the water. Where I fish, we actually have, 6, 10, 11, 15-foot waves. The other thing I also noticed was at the end of the video, I could see the look in his eyes that he was scared. He regretted challenging a Yankee to a fight. And Mark, you should be scared. He was so scared. If you look at the twinkle in his eye at like a 10-minute mark, I believe it was, 10-minute mark, he started recruiting all kinds of other people. Here, let me turn you around. He was recruiting all kinds of different people to come and help him in this battle. Well, Mark, I got Yankees friends too, and I can recruit just as well. So, you guys go, this is going to be an interesting battle, and sounds like he's got some pretty cool stuff happening there on his channel. I definitely would recommend all of my Yankee friends and hillbilly friends and redneck friends head over to his channel and let him know that it's not a smart idea to be picking on a Portuguese Yankee. Definitely go let him know. All right, guys. See you later. See that? I'm going to go beans in those gutters.
Okay, this is a garden update. I'm pretty sure the raspberries are done. Picked them all. The grapes are definitely picking up. Okay, this is the onions, and they're looking really good. You can see the onion down there. Okay. The okra have, and it's getting in the 50s at night, around there, and these finally had blooms on them. This is my okra right here. Sunflowers are doing really good. I'm actually harvesting now seeds from my herbal garden. This is really pretty. The marshmallow blooms are out. You can see them. Really pretty. Yarrow. And what is this again? This is anise. Look how pretty that is. That's the weed right there. Gotta get that out of there. But look how big it's just so full. Really full. I'm really happy with that. These all came from seeds. Can you believe that? Yeah, and this is the outside garden update. Okay. The green beans are all producing, so I have to get out here every 2 days, maybe 3 days. The these are the eggplants, and they're finally blooming. You see the beans on there, and that's more green beans. The tomatillos, they're crazy. You see them? They're everywhere. So I gotta tie this back up. Like I said, you just pull it up a little bit and tie it to this post I have in there. Cucumbers are crazy. I'm going to have a lot already. I just know I'm going to have a lot this year. The cabbage is doing really good. All of them are doing really good. Let me show you this. And these turban squash are everywhere. They're so evasive. I can't believe it. They're just everywhere. My summer squash is a hit this year. Looks like everybody's having a good summer squash year. Let's see if we got any in here yet. Yeah, one starting over there. Let's look over here. Yeah, we have quite a few in here. I'm gonna let them grow for a little bit longer. What is that? You see that? Let me go down in there. Oh, what is that? We have spaghetti squash, spaghetti squash, spaghetti squash, spaghetti squash. Everywhere, everywhere. My sunflowers are doing really good. I'm glad I picked this area for them. Oh, it's early. There's another turban squash right there. They're all over the place in here. There's one over there. See that? See? What's this? Another spaghetti squash. And another spaghetti squash. And more zucchini. And we have a watermelon started there. So this is the view from here. Now we're going to the greenhouse. This is the greenhouse. Yeah, the tomato plants are way over my head. Way over my head. I'm going to do this. The mosquitoes are crazy in here. Okay. And show you, here's the green peppers. They're coming out on these guys here. You see that? And there, see more there. Green peppers. And we have lots and lots of chili. Lots and lots of jalapenos. That's what these are. You know. They're everywhere. They're doing really good. You can see them right there. You can see them all. These are chilies. Oh, well, the frogs are little frogs are still running around in here. It's cute. Let's see. Right there. I'm not sure when these are done, so any help from John would be great if you watch this. I never grew these before, so I wouldn't know. But they look good. Go on this side and squeeze through. And these right here. You see these? I'm not sure if these are done. If anybody knows, let me know. I know John would know. Yeah, John is the pepper expert, so let me know, John, if you see this. Oh, and then more over here. Right. And that's that for that. And then the lettuce is kind of slowing down a little bit. I might have to do more. I harvested some of this already. I'm not going to put in weigh-ins. And what's it? Sage is going to get harvested soon. This is where I harvested the potatoes you've seen. I left these. And I left those over there. I let the grass just grow over it. We'll find out.